Welcome to our presentation on transforming your business. We will explore adaptable solutions tailored for every department, ensuring comprehensive growth and efficiency. Welcome to Kobu. We specialize in transforming business challenges into intuitive digital solutions. Our expertise lies in adapting cutting-edge technologies to meet your organization's specific needs across any department or industry. Our approach uniquely blends technical knowledge with a deep understanding of business processes. Our solutions centralize data and documents, ensuring controlled access and eliminating duplicate files. We automate processes with self-running workflows, reducing errors and repetitive tasks. Effective collaboration is achieved through integrated communication and task visibility. Our reports and analysis offer customized dashboards and real-time metrics, enabling data-driven decisions. Ensure precise documentation of workplace incidents, eliminating spreadsheet chaos. Centralize occupational safety and health administration records in an audit-ready system, tracking incidents from report to closure. Gain real-time safety insights and simplify coordination across locations. Empower your team to meet occupational safety and health administration reporting requirements with clarity and confidence. Transform scattered data into structured compliance with automated incident classification and occupational safety and health administration recordability tracking. Centralize yearly compliance using the Occupational Safety and Health Administration Compliance Tracker. Export Occupational Safety and Health Administration 300 CSVs and auto-generate 301 and 300A PDFs. Utilize intelligent dashboards for key performance indicators, trends, and insights. Stay audit-ready with ease. Optimize logistics with automated route scheduling tailored to delivery demand. Ensure efficiency with digital delivery confirmations and comprehensive driver and vehicle management. Stay informed with automated alerts for departures, arrivals, and incidents. Utilize an operational dashboard featuring a route map and performance metrics for seamless, data-driven delivery operations. Our equipment maintenance solution offers preventive maintenance scheduling with automatic reminders, tracks work orders from creation to completion, and manages equipment inventory with service history. It supports photo uploads for task verification and provides dashboard analytics for downtime and cost tracking, ensuring precise and consistent equipment performance. Technical departments benefit from structured tracking of requests and projects, leading to better resource allocation and prioritization. This approach can reduce response times by up to 40%, enhancing operational efficiency and effectiveness. Administrative areas benefit from simplified and transparent acquisition processes, ensuring total control over budgets and suppliers. This leads to an average savings of 15% in operational costs, enhancing efficiency and financial management. In human resources, we enhance employee experiences, streamline administrative tasks, and prioritize talent development. These improvements lead to a more engaged workforce and efficient operations, benefiting the entire organization. Our methodology involves 4 key steps: listening to understand your challenges, designing custom solutions tailored to your processes, providing ongoing support with training, and implementing solutions swiftly for quick results. This ensures a comprehensive approach to meet your business goals effectively. Choose us for our proven expertise in transforming business processes. Our proprietary methodology ensures fast results. Benefit from local support with personalized attention in your language and time zone. We offer complete solutions, from design to training and continuous improvement. Let's begin with an initial conversation to explore your specific needs. Experience a personalized demonstration to see how Kobu can transform your processes. Finally, we'll craft a custom proposal to define the most efficient path to your digital transformation. Simplify, automate, and transform with Kobu, your strategic partner in digital transformation. For inquiries, book a 30-minute consultation. The link is in the description.